Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can create an account on Twilio, right? So you can simply search for Twilio on Google and you will find this website on the top of the search result. If there is any kind of Google ads or sponsor ads running off any other website, then you can simply scroll down and click on Twilio search result, right? Here it is asking us to start for free, so we are going to click on it. Sign up with Google. You can also fill your email address or contact details and you can sign up manually as well. Else what you can do is you can simply select your Gmail account and it will get the login credentials from there, right? So now it is asking us to set up a 2FA, right? So here you just need to provide the phone number and send code via SMS. So here I'm just going to provide the phone number and write the phone number over here, send an SMS. Okay, so I would have received the verification code, so I'm just going to enter that particular verification code. Okay, continue. And you can see our Twilio account has been created. So it was super easy to create an account on Twilio, and you can use this Twilio account for sending WhatsApp messages or sending broadcast calls and sending notification, whether in-app notification, whether push notification or whether web notification. You can use this Twilio account, right? You can use Twilio for multi-purpose like email marketing and all, right? So in case if there is any issue while loading, you can simply refresh this. As you can see, there is an issue related to Twilio, right? So we are going to Twilio home. Okay, so our account has been successfully created, right? And here you can see we can go to user settings and you can simply change the ID password or whatever you want to simply change. You can set up 2FA as well, right, in case if you have not set up. So it will take time, right, and your Twilio account would be ready to use. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.